Good day, everybody. My name is Tabi Maj. Welcome to my online English class. Today's lesson is about figures of speech. Please check the board and see what we are learning today. Today we are learning about figures of speech. In our previous lessons, we learned that our first figure of speech is comparisons. And under comparisons, we have A, which is similes. Similes are comparisons using words as or like. Then we have letter B, which is metaphors. Metaphors are comparisons without using as or like. We have two types of metaphors. We learned that we have extended metaphors, which are comparisons that are extended over a passage, and we have mixed metaphors, which are comparisons using words that contradict one another. Today, we are learning about letter C, which is personification. So it gives human qualities to inanimate objects or abstract ideas. So basically this tells us that it is a comparison where an inanimate object is given qualities of a human being. So it is our personification. So personification is indirect comparisons. Here's an example. We have example number 1. Autumn arrived in his coat of orange, red, and gold. So orange, red, and gold is the leaves of the trees. That's how they become during autumn. And autumn is a season. So autumn cannot arrive because autumn is a season, is not a person. And it cannot wear a coat. When it says his coat, it cannot wear a coat because his refers to a person and autumn is not a person. So this tells us that it is a personification. So we have example number 2. The clouds looked down and wept on the drought-stricken earth. So this is also personification because the clouds are not an inanimate object. They cannot look down and they cannot weep. Weep is crying. So they cannot look down and they cannot weep. So this is a personification because the clouds are compared to human beings. So we have example number 3, which is pride. Pride embraced her as she went to receive her award. So embrace is something that is done by human beings. So a pride cannot be compared to embrace because pride is not a human being, but embrace is something that is done by a human being. So this is personification because we are comparing an inanimate object with a human behavior. Thank you everybody for tuning in. Please tune in again next time.